This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming account access, and that image generation is enabled for you. This saves time. Next, choose whether you want a fresh image, variations, or an edit, because each mode uses different settings and input. Gather 1 to 3 reference images and write a concise prompt listing the subject, style, mood, and desired resolution. This helps the model match your intent. Once done, open the image generation tool and select the mode that matches your goal. Then paste your prompt. Now you refine inputs to steer results. Start with a precise prompt. Name the subject, exact action, lighting, camera angle, and a style tag like cinematic or watercolor. This increases fidelity. Then tweak parameters such as aspect ratio, number of iterations, and a guidance or creativity scale. Change the seed only when you want different randomness. Preview a draft at low resolution to save time, make focused adjustments, and repeat until the composition and tone feel right. To finish, export the chosen image at full resolution and pick the appropriate format. Use PNG for transparency and JPG to save space. If you spot small artifacts or composition issues, run an image-to-image edit targeting just that area, or do quick post-processing in an external editor. If results are off, troubleshoot by simplifying the prompt, lowering the guidance parameter, or changing the seed. Also verify you have enough credits and correct model settings. That usually resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.